Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about one of the new function in phase and lease accounting application. So let's go to Excel sheet here. Yeah. So how to sorry, how to amend lease contract, which is existed one in the application. So that is a topic, how to amend lease contract. Go to application. So log into your lease accounting application. Leases. So search with your lease contract number, which has already been created. Search. So this is the existed lease account which already created. So now, as per the requirement, like some requirement came from client stating that, so we want to amend existed lease contract, or like to increase some kind of like as part of amendment, we can do a lot of activities in the lease application. So in order to create or amend contract, select the row, go to action tab. Here you can see there are couple of tabs are available. Amend lease, resume changes. This will be applicable when you make some changes in the contract level. Okay. So now click on amend lease. So here you can give the name. Just you can give the name or number as it is like that. And subtype, yeah, subtypes of amendment. Edit notificationally data, sorry, edit non-financial data. Now scope changes, scope decrease, scope increase at standalone price. So now just I want to increase the specific lease contract end date. In that case, increase the value. So scope increase. And which date you want to start this one. So you should give on or before today's date. Not post-dated dates will not be applicable. Provide that date here and click on save and continue. Yes. So now the lease accountant should have the access to access all these tabs. So now, so do you currently the lease end date is October 2025. So now I want to increase this lease for next couple of months. Example, December 25. Select and that's all. And here also we should provide the date signed on for on amend. Says that, let's say December 31st. That's all we should provide here. Notice the point here, version state is working, version number 3. So it means that previously there are two versions are available. So this is the latest one. So once you provide lease end date and here scroll down, look at all the things are correct or not correct. Okay, and then so here also you have seen that document details started and end date. If you want, you can change this also. Let's see, 31st. Save. Save the record and go to Asset tab. So now here we need to check this one. Asset amortization end date, December 31st. Scroll down. Look at that. Is there any changes are required? Not required. Go down. Save. Again, payments. So here, notice that here the previous or existed lease contract end date is 10/30/31/2025. So now I want to increase the another 2 months. So that is the requirement, right? So in that case, what you have to do, here is see, already we have the schedules over here. So we cannot touch or we cannot modify this existed data. So what we can do, so here you can see that line number one, line type recurring, number of payments already got scheduled, 10 payments. Amount is 5,000. Line start date and line end date. So now we want to increase two additional months for this contract. Click on plus symbol, recurring 2 months. So what is the amount we're going to adding? So let's say example 5,000, 5,000. Say 5,000. And from when onwards this particular recurring or things has to be started. It means that November 1st to December, right? So then we have to provide here first date, first payment date is November 1st because already we have the schedules for till October. So here, that's all. So now save. So that is how we can provide a present to amend the lease contract. So now see here, lease version sub status is initiated. Go to click on action, validate. It's done. So it is throwing some kind of error message. It is not an error message, it is a warning message. The amortization end date has been changed from 31st to 31st December. That's fine. Go to action again, generate schedules. Generated. Scroll down. See here, you can see that payment schedules. So this is what it got generated until December. So this is how we can amend the dates based on your requirement. Okay. So now say submit for approvals. If you want to send for approval, we can send it. Submit for approvals. Now we need to log in as a approver. Click on done. Sign out. Log in with Krishna Rayan. Sign in. So wait for some time to get the data. So we have to wait for some time to populate information over here. We'll go to application level. Let's see. It will take a while to populate the approval details and approval notification, everything. Let's see here. So here it is saying as this is the one. See here, it is coming this way. Approve, save, okay, submit. It means that the amendment details got approved. So go back, log in as a lease accountant. Sign in. So it got approved now. Just now it got approved. So now log into lease account here. Leases. Unit 1 business unit. Expense lease. Say yes. So now click on here. So we can see this one as usually attach lease detailed report. Right? We can notice that version 3. So this version 3 is applicable only for when you do amendment. Otherwise, it is not applicable. So now go back to here, click on action tab, and now you see that amend list, everything's got or grayed out because it got approved. Okay. So now click on here as a list number. Attach lease detailed report. Submitted. So let us refresh sometime to get the data is updated here. So it is not generated now. The reason being, sometimes it may happen. Again, rerun the program, refresh the enter application. Seems it was running background. See, it got succeeded. Go to schedules. So the file got generated here, right? So this is how we can do the amendment of the existed lease contracts. Okay, so this is all about today's discussion. So next classes we'll discuss more about lease contract. So about how to amendment more details, what are the types of amendments are there. So this all the information we'll talk about. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you.